Hey guys, I've been in the process of sound deadening my car. I've got the front doors and the trunk lid done, and I've been using peel and seal. It's a cheap alternative, and it works just as good as anything else. And I'll show you the difference. Here's my back door with no peel and seal. And the front door with peel and seal. And this is just one layer on the inside of the door. Works amazing. And put it on my trunk lid. I also put spray foam inside. You gotta be careful with it so you don't get it all over the place, but it works really good. And I'll keep you up to date with the progress. I'm gonna be finishing my back doors today and possibly doing the whole trunk, but I don't know yet. Thanks.